Good morning, my brothers and sisters. Good afternoon, good evening. Good all. Okay? Abeg, na message na I rush come pass give una this morning. I just dey wake up for bed so. Na message I rush come give una. This one no be time to speak broken or to speak English. Anywhere wey I speak am, make una take am like that. Abeg, make una dey very careful. My brothers and sisters, Africa, make una dey very careful. That is Africa wey get black color like my own like this. Make una dey very careful. Morocco na Africa, Albanese na Africa. Una know all of them. No, I no need to mention them. They be white. But we wey we be black, Africa, you dey hear me, you no hear me. Make una share this video. Make una be very careful. No be everybody fit come outside say e wan make this video. Before they make this video so, after I don talk finish, I go dey show una wetin I see before I dey make this video. This one no be time of shakara o. This one no be time of fine girl. This one no be time of fine boy. You see this mascarino so, or wetin they call am. I don see am. Some of our Nigeria people, whether they go buy am o, whether they give them, say make them use o. Now they go put am for nose, take snap picture, put for Facebook, take snap picture, put for WhatsApp. I no say e no good o, but for one side e no good. This thing so wey una dey see so, they don poison am. Anybody wey you see wey come give you this thing, say make you use, either na black o, either na white o, e come your house say my sister take this thing make you use. No collect am, tell am say thank you, you get. No be compulsory say you must use am. As you dey shout say the thing no dey affect we wey be black, the thing no dey affect we, they don go inject this thing. Na because say I wan make this video this morning, na im make me run go buy this one. Even where I for buy am, they say they no go sell am for me. Say because why? They no dey sell. Abeg, if they give una, make una no use am. Make una no use am o. They don talk am for audio for una. Una no hear. They don talk am for how people take talk am. Many people, as dem dey share the video, na so we still dey share am. Who no go hear, no go hear. Make we prevent ourselves. Na daily bread na we come look for outside o. They no go carry our dead body go house. They no go throw away our dead body for bush o. Italian people dey do fasting. They dey do night vigil. Since wey I come this Europe, for all the whole city wey me I don stay for this country, I never see where dem dey do night vigil. Yesterday, I see am korokoro wey dem dey do night vigil. I even follow dem do am. They even put am for live direct. I even share am for most of my people for the order of my Facebook yesterday, because na that one na I carry hold for hand yesterday. Do night vigil because of this thing don really kill many souls. If e no happen for your city, you go see you no see who kill. E don kill. E don kill, and they no go tell you how many people wey e kill. If e kill 200, they will tell you say na 100, just not to make people fear. E don kill many souls. Many people say they no believe, but me I believe. Because why? Wetin go make Italy shut down like this? Una know say this 2020 is a war. We dey hear say 2020 na year wey go better for us, na year of divine, na year of progress. But the way say dey go so, may God save us. Na only God now we go cry upon. May he save us. Sorry. I take spirit the broken. May una share this video. Now he go save us. You see this thing so, even I no know where we dey go. If we stay house for 2-3 months to prevent ourselves for many years coming, nothing bad put. Wetin we go eat, wetin we go drink, God go provide am for us. God go provide am for us. So my brothers and sisters, may we prevent ourselves. If we say we no get money to do this one, we no get money to do this one, we wan enter outside. If we die, now we wan get the money. If we die, now we wan carry that money. May we prevent ourselves. But not be by this thing o. If you wan go outside, cut your tissue. Tissue wey you know say you use your money buy o. Not be the one wey you buy for where dem sef dem dey buy. Cut your tissue, fold down like this, use am take cover your mouth like this. nothing you use. I think with the old phone, with the fit dey use our hand the old phone for here for 3-4 hours. They talk less of this thing wey we go take carry use and do like this. You no fit use and do like this. Carry rubber band, cross the rubber band like this. Use and put for your ear here. Put am for your ear here. Use and cover your nose like this. Cover your nose like this. If they carry this thing, come give you offer slate or anything, cloth for now, no collect. You will be say you be. I know many of our sisters before you they carry something, they enter the amount say they don't carry and chom. May una be careful. They carry cloth can't give you for house. They carry can't give you now, not collect. If shame they cash you say you no want collect, they say make them drop am for ground. Drop am for domot. As then they go finish, you still carry and go throw away am for bus. Go throw away am for bus. You not use your hand even touch and save. Then they really dey vex for us say this thing not dey hold us. And they don't really see the way where they go take do am, where the thing go come take dey affect us. Number one, this video wey I wan play for una so go make una show say that they really dey vex for us. See this video wey I wan play so. For all the old people wey dey inside this train now only this our brother wey dey cough so na black. I no know the tribe wey be o, but I know say na black. Na only he cover this thing for nose. Na only he cover this thing for nose. Una see say don fall for ground now. Na only he cover this thing for nose. You see, as that man wan hold like he cough the thing for the man eye. The man fall for ground. You see this our brother for ground now. The other now this our black brother so now that thing you now. He don't give that the other white man. You see, and for the old train so now only he cover that thing. Now only he now cover this thing so. This masquerino so when they take they do shakara now so. Now only he cover am. Shebi una see am. More na look am well. For I'm more God for all of them where they did there so. Now only this our brother now he cover this thing for nose. And now the thing oh shebi they say the thing they prevent. Why can't be say now in the thing oh now? Shebi una see and say don't fall for ground. Now so it take go like that. I even see and say still affect one white guy for them. That one on number one of the video. Show una see am. May una be very careful. And the second one be say you they go outside, you be boy, you be girl now. You don't see where they don't 3 of them don't wait, 4 of them don't wait, they use bad eye, they look you. Dress go back. Because you don't know what he did in hand, what they want throw give you. You don't know whether you get who get and where want cough for your face as you want pass for their side. You don't know whether you get fleet where they want fleet for your nose. Be very careful. This one now one of our brother wey come out this morning for Ashara. Now they carry something. We don't know what they say he do am. Now they carry gun. They gun now for leg. As they not see where they go take infect am, they gun now. They gun now for they give am gun for leg. Because then they really they vex say why this thing not they affect us when we be black? Why we will be black? Not die. The thing they really they vex them. That one na number one. Number two be say I know say many people go say white people they not get bad mind. Now we will be black. Now we get bad mind. I know say white people not get bad mind though, but if you really jam the ones where be say them be evil, they really to kill one family. Who tell you say white people not get mind? May God not let you jam them. As you they jam the good ones, so where you they believe say they not get bad mind, so may God let you they jam the good one. If you really jam the bad one, where be say they really want to deal with you, you go not say their own bad man self. It pass we where we be Africa. And number 2. So I can still see one of our black. I know say this one now. This one not be Nigeria person. Either go be a hair, but not black. If they happy, say yes. This in they happy oh for this colonial virus. Say it not affect any black. In they happy, make the colonial virus. Say he follow and burn. He wish and well. He say not be person will be saying they like to laugh. He say but this colonial virus you be in friend, not be my friend though. He say he be na in friend he be. He say so as they key people say they fear we will be black. Say they fear us. He say now which white people now want turn to black? May you know say we will be black. We they very strong. This colonial virus e dey fear us. Now he say he no wish him friend wey dem no be racist well o. Him wish dem well, make this thing no affect them. Him friend wey be some wey be say dem be racist, dem no want good for us. Na him dey wish make this thing make e kill them one by one. Abeg my brothers and sisters, I know say wetin this man talk o, e dey right. But another way round, no be this time wey we dey so, nobody dey pray say make soul dey die. Anybody wey even pray for your enemy to die sef, that person no be good person according to the Bible. Pray for your enemy to live, stay long, see wetin you will become in life. Pray for your enemy to live, see long, see what you will become in life. Don't pray for your enemy to die. I know say wetin dem dey do us for this country no be good thing. They say dem no dey use us as slave again. Dem dey use us, just that e no show like olden days time. They no do am like olden days time. God no give them that power to take do am like olden days time. My brothers and sisters, make una be careful. Make una be careful o. Make una prevent una self. Number one, person come give una food for house. Say this thing carry am come for una. Una no know speed. Dem fit open pasta, open groundnut oil, pour speed put, cover am, steal am, come give you. Say make you take cook. Be very careful. Dem fit carry pasta, use am rub wetin dem wan rub, carry am come give you. Say make you chop. Groundnut oil, anything at all wey dem bring come for you for this season wey we dey so, my sister, no collect. If na garri na you fit dey pour for water dey drink, our Nigeria people now wey dey sell Africa things, dem dey sell garri. Go buy garri, dey pour am for water, dey use sugar and groundnut dey chop am till when God go make a way. If you no get money to take buy chicken, person come give you chicken, no take. Chicken wey we don chop, where e lead us to? I wan become big girl, I wan chop this one, I wan chop salad, I wan chop. Make we take am easy now. This time around no be to chop. They just carry come, you chop. The one wey you use your money buy for supermarket sef, if you wan buy am, na where you see say dem dey carry, na there make you for carry. No carry for another place. That one wey you see say dem dey carry, dey put for their bag, so na im make you carry. As you even still dey carry am, you dey reach out, dey play am with the blood of Jesus before you dey chop am. Because nothing wey dem no fit do us now. I dey talk this thing, I know say many people go say wetin she dey talk. I know wetin I dey talk o. Make una prevent una self o. Make una prevent una self. Na money wey we find for this country o. God no let them carry our dead body bury for ground o. Where our family no come see us again o. At least we get money now, we no get money, our people still dey happy, dem dey hear our voice. Abeg make una prevent una self. No be by this one. This one no even, me I no say wetin this thing dey fit dey prevent for person body. If me I even use ordinary my hand, wash am well, take am cover my nose, or use my cloth take am, me I dey carry my breeze of my body dey enter my nose dey waka, nobody go ask me. I carry my cloth do am like this, I go where I dey go. Even cold time sef, if cold time sef, so dey carry jacket, dey go tie am for here. Who go live go live. Carry your tissue from house, use am cover your nose. Carry your wrapper for house, use am cover your nose anywhere where you dey go. Na the good thing I dey wish you now, wey be my brothers and sisters. As we come this country, so come find wetin we go eat. We no go see wetin go eat us o. We no go die premature death o. God no go let us go jam the person wey go use, because say him dey vex for one person, e go come use that go affect you o. Make una dey very careful. As I dey do this video this morning, una say as my face dey rough, water never touch my body. I never even do anything. I just wake up for bed. All those things wey I see now I fear. Say no. They dey say all those things for us, but we no dey know as e take dey be. Make we dey very careful. Abeg. Make we dey very careful. Walawowo Benin people, that one na for you. Lawowo. My place va fetian, va dey very careful. Yoruba ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí ti Ọlọ́run. Ẹ wà very careful o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o. Please, I'm begging you people. I'm begging you, my brothers and sisters. Let's be very careful, because why? Those people, they are not happy with us now. I don't know why be say Even news, una go watch am for news. People wey dey watch news, wey dem dey na dis same people Italian dey ask say why e be say dis thing e no dey affect Africa, na only dem na dey affect. You can imagine wey person go dey talk am for public say why e be say dis sickness e no dey affect who will be black, na only dem dey affect. Why? Before person go come out for public for news like that, talk that kind thing, but una know say yes, e don pass be careful. Then they really dey want how dem go take push the thing enter house, but God no go gree for them. God no go gree for them. But if God dey guard you, you no guard yourself, e go be like say God no dey guard you. You say now God dey guard you, God, the Lord is your shepherd, you shall not want. You go express, go lie down, motor dey come, e climb you. That means you are testing God. If the motor climb you, you die. Now you test God. Now you put God for test. So if God dey prevent you, you need to prevent yourself. You say the Lord is your shepherd, no evil fall upon you. Fine, we are not praying for that. You carry food put for ground, then for your koro eye like this, put poison inside. You carry the food dey chop again, say God dey prevent you. You are putting God in test. Please, wetin we need now na to stay house. Make we stay house. And this our house, so you know, person like me na house where I dey stay. Na house wey be say people plenty. Na flat oh, but the flat everybody get im own. Na almost 4-story building. The 4-story building, everybody with im own family, everybody with im own family. Na only me dey my own flat here where I dey stay alone. The door wey you enter the passage before you go start to dey climb step, many hand na dey touch that door. Many hand na dey open that door. Everybody get im own key. You dey come from outside, you chook your key inside, you go open now, you go enter. This one dey come, you go chook im own key. People wey still dey come from outside come dey visit them, they go press bell, they go open, they go use hand touch am. Before dem dey use that hand touch am, so you no know wetin they don invent carry for outside dey come. You no know wetin dey their hand. As you still go outside, so you touch am. Even me, na this thing I go buy hand glove. If I dey come outside, I wan go throw away dustbin for ground, I go wear am for hand. I'll use am hold the door. As I dey come pull am throw away for dustbin, I still dey use water dey wash my hand. That's why I say we strong, the thing no dey hold us, but I still dey prevent myself. I dey use water wash my hand well. I wash am, wash my hand, wash am including reach here, before I go fit enter inside house touch anything wey I wan touch. Even the soap, as you dey press am so, you still dey, if you don, after you don wash your hand finish, carry tissue cut am, use am clean the soap head. Anything wey you dey touch now, we need to wash our hand. We need to be very careful. Person carry cloth come for you, no collect for now. After all, you no dey naked before. Person carry food come for you, no collect for now. Dey attentive, dey very careful. They say make we for attentive, make we dey very careful. No be everything wey they carry come for us now, na they carry come with their mind. They dey vex. They really dey vex for us. God no go vex for us. So as God dey vex for them, so wey maybe get wetin dem do hard, wey be say dem no want make we see, dem wan come use the thing come dey affect us. So God no agree for them. Colonial virus is not our portion. And as it still happen, so God wey create heaven and earth go have mercy. He go have mercy on this sickness, on us. Both the white people. God, please have mercy on your children. Have mercy on your loved ones. Please, Daddy, our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Please have mercy with us. Guide your children. Prevent us. This thing now, it don't make me, I wan come dey cry. They shoot one of our brother this morning. No matter wetin dey vex them, wetin go make them, no be say na police, they carry gun person leg down. One of our brother dey inside train. Na only him use masquerino. Na only him na this thing still affect. Make we dey very careful. anything that they bring they come for you now. They pray, especially those our we sisters, brothers who we still there for our project. I beg. I know say some project they get good mind. They not feel ought to now, they not feel do na bad thing. But those things, many things will be said, then they bring come for all for project. So some they go they carry am for Caritas. Some projects their responsibility na Caritas na go they pack cloth come they give them. More na they very careful. You don't know where for don't go. You don't be say they wish you bad or they wish you may you die you. But you don't know where for go carry that cloth. You don't know wetin e infect that cloth. If you can't be say the cloth fine, you not fit throw away am. No use your hand touch am. Use stick take carry am throw away for inside washing machine. Put different kind of soap. If you even get the top, pour the top put. Wash and throw away before you go use and touch your body. You dey climb step. Person like me now, if I dey climb step, I go use my hand dey hold the body of the step. Prevent your hand. Abeg, my brothers and sisters. Death is not our portion. Mo na share this video. Abeg, mo na share this video. This thing so e dey very risk. Mo na no use am. Abeg. Mo na no use am. If you wan come say you wan use am, go buy am for where all of them dey use their hand. Like this one this morning now, na buy I go buy am. Go buy am for where all of them dey use am, dey buy, dey carry am, dey buy am 4, 5, 6. Use your hand take go buy am. If you no fit use your money buy, carry your tissue for inside hand. Use am cover your nose. Carry your tissue for inside hand. Use am cover your nose. Use am cover your nose, my brothers and sisters. God go help us o. Na wetin I come say me I come yarn una this morning na be that o. God wey dey prevent we sins, e no go comot for our back o. But we say wey God still dey prevent, make we still take am easy. Make we still take am easy. Abeg, anybody wey this video come across, make share this video. This one no be to say e too talk or e too do something. Na only na she no pass. Una share this video. Wetin I wish as make e be for una wey be my sisters, may e be like that for me. So abeg, make una prevent yourself for colonial virus. Colonial virus is not our portion in Jesus' name. Amen. Bye bye. See you in my next video.